Welcome to the official sequel of CAT1 Racer Tears My Legs Off. This is part 2. CAT1 Racer Tears My Legs Off, up climbs. I'm with Tobias, and he literally just told me that he set a new 20-minute power best. So, I'm not really looking forward to this ride. I mean, I'm looking forward to hanging out with you. I'm not looking forward to the ride.
It's exciting. Yeah, mate, get ready.
What's exciting about it? We know what's gonna happen. You getting ready for your racing?
Yeah, can't wait now.
How long we got? A month, 2 months?
Hopefully, yeah, a month.
Yeah. It's all right, you'll be flying after this session with me, mate.
100%.
Climb done. Newlands corner, that's the one on the London Ride 100. That was hard. He was at like 500 watts for how long? 3 minutes. I managed to hold on till just before it went downhill a little bit. That sucked. What am I training for? Why am I doing this? So you're just telling me 3 of the climbs today you got KOMs for?
Yeah, either that or like top 5.
Great.
Yeah, all good.
Just gets better and better. Average power?
I know, but I should not have big ringed that.
I used to do sweet spot efforts up that one.
It's nice climb.
Yes, I know it quite well, it's horrible. How far back was I?
Not that far.
No?
Good, yeah.
30 seconds?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. I happen to know this camera is worth exactly 30 seconds. Fast descent done, now we're doing a secret climb. Apparently Tobias has found a secret climb, so I don't know what to expect. That's why it's a secret. It's a bit wet, man.
It's actually pretty heavy.
Love cycling. Thank you. Mate, you killed me. You killed me. Were you riding hard?
On the climbs, yeah.
Yeah? Good. I'll put a link to Tobias' Strava if you want to follow him and see how many watts he was doing up the climbs today.
It's a private account, but I'll accept everyone.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why is it on private?
So that my competitors can't see, but then I accept them anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference.
Oh, absolute pleasure as usual.
Always.
I'll see you soon. I'm going to go have a nap. I haven't done efforts that hard for like 2 years. So thank you, Tobias, for smashing me up. Broomfield Road, the second climb we did, he actually got a top 10 on Strava. So I don't feel so bad anymore about getting dropped by just a bit. Something new has arrived. As regular viewers will know, my GoPro died. Well, that's playing up, so I got myself a new one. An 8 instead of a 7. Hero 8 Black. So yeah. I'm going to be using this one from now on. All the footage from today's video was from the 7 and it actually was behaving today, but on most other days it seems to cut out. I've had a few of you tell me that I should try different brands of camera, like the Insta360 and the DJI one, Osmo Action. I actually had one of them, but I smashed it on the floor. I'm not denying either of those are great cameras. The DJI was fantastic and the battery life lasted ages, but the image quality on the GoPro is better. When you're shooting flat and then color grading it in your software afterwards, it's a cut above and the stabilization is better as well. What's more, if you just stick to one brand, all the batteries are compatible and everything, maybe I can troubleshoot the old one and see if it's the camera or the battery and then get it working again. And in an ideal world, I'll end up with multiple GoPros that I can have on like the back and the front of my bike. So that's why I'm sticking to this. Kind of weird on this one, they got rid of the protective cage. So the camera itself actually has the mount just built into it like that. We'll see what it's like. Well, it is now raining. I've just about recovered. We're heading over to the studio to film an episode of Bike Fit Tuesdays, which will be released on a different day. I don't know what day yet. I might need to sleep all day tomorrow.
All day today.
How are you?
Hello. I'm so tired.
The cafe's been back open for a while now, right?
And then next Monday, or Monday the 6th, we're like opening, so.
It has been way too long since we've done a Bike Fit Tuesday, so I'm going to try and be a little bit more regular with it. James has got slightly more time, although he has just been so flat out because of all the COVID bike rush. So yeah, we'll book some in and do our best. On that topic, if you have any requests for specific Bike Fit Tuesdays, I think we're going to try and delve into topics in a little bit more detail. Let us know in the comments. Sunny now. Could have ridden here.
Is that more?
What?
Red Bull.
So I've been trying to flatten this mat. It's like the heaviest thing we've got here, so I put the Red Bulls on top. It might work. Do you want to explain to the viewers what I did?
So I put the wash on yesterday and I hung this shirt up to dry and I was like, I haven't worn it. What was that noise? And he sends me a picture and it's the shirt that we signed. Who's it for?
A guy called David.
We signed a shirt for David and Francis accidentally put it in the wash. So I'm just redoing the signatures. These are legit signatures, I'm just redoing them.
It's better because it's been done twice.
It's like really set in now.
Yeah.
So now you could actually wash it, David, and it'll be alright.
We'll wash it at home.
Wouldn't
anyway.
recommend.
What are we calling this video?
How to stop your knees from hurting inside.
Yeah. What are we doing today? So job done, we've just filmed a sick episode of Bike Fit Tuesdays about knee pain. Tune in a couple of days time to see that. Hopefully none of you will ever have knee pain again. Cheers mate.
Fist bump.
We should go for a ride.
I'm double booked next Monday because I'm teaching my sisters how to scuba dive. So no scuba diving choppers in my family, mate. Not like you two when you went on holiday.
What are you talking about? We were fine. I'm a good swimmer.
Good sinker, more like. See ya.
We're gonna get rained on. I bet it's gonna absolutely chuck it down.
Probably.
Today's video is now over. Thank you as always for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned for that episode of Bike Fit Tuesdays.